Hi, I hope you are doing all right. Today I am doing some finishing touches to my latest kind of techno-ish track. It sounds something like this. So it's more or less finished. I just wanted to add another track from the Moog, and I wanted to show you how I go about when I record the audio and when I do my automation live on the synth. I have this audio file already recorded, as I did earlier. It sounds like this. So it's not a very advanced sound, but you can hear that I automate the cutoff and the resonance somewhat, and then also automate some multi-drive. I actually planned to make a synth programming video today, but I kind of forgot how I made this patch, and now I just have the audio file, and when I opened up the patch I made, it doesn't sound the same. So I'm no expert, but I'm not sure what I did wrong there. So anyways, if you listen to this part here, so I felt maybe it lacks something in the low end here, or in the mid, kind of low to mid, not really low end, but from the bass and up to mid. So I have the bass here, that's the bass group. It's actually no Moog in here. The Moog is just this one here. And then I wanted to add another track from the Moog, this one. And I want to automate that one as well, in addition to this one, so we can layer them together. So what we do is we create a new audio track, and that's Control T, and I color the audio track white, and then I want the audio to come from Moog MIDI, so I want the audio from this external instrument pushed into audio, and I want pre-FX, so I don't want to add any effects to the sound, I just want a raw audio file, and I want to automate the cutoff and the resonance in real time. It feels more musical if you do it that way. So let's see if we can get this to work. Press record and record. Okay, so that's the first part. Let's see how it went. Yeah, not bad. And what we do then is we just copy the effects from the MIDI or the external instrument here, and we just paste it here. We get the effects, and we also, yeah, doing some high pass on it because it's the bass is taking care of these 3 tracks. And some sidechain from the kick as well. So if we mix it together, let's see how it sounds. Or just let's add the kick. And since this is not the low end, I am taking my artistic freedom to add some delay and reverb to this one. So let's see how it sounds with everything else here, where it happens stuff. Yeah, as you see, I lowered the volume a little bit so we don't overdo it. Just rudimentary raw mixing. I will do some fine-tuning later on. And then we have another part over here. It's kind of the break thing. And here I actually fade it in a little. I have to learn the key combinations sometime here. So I guess we are going to record fade in here as well, and we are going to yeah, we're just going to do it. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see how this went. it's alright. And just cut it to so it fits. And right click, consolidate. Let's fade it out a little here. And then we get to the last part. Let's see. Let's change the pulse width a little bit. Just to make it sound a little different. Okay, let's show you the wave from here. Okay, so it sounds like this. You kind of get an attack. You want that here, or I want that here. So that's that's the way I record automation, at least now from the Moog, when I don't have the VST available, or it doesn't work with my setup now at least. I kind of find it it's easy to record automation in Ableton Live. You can just draw lines, but turning the physical knobs and turning them when you are listening to the music, it kind of sounds, you kind of do it along with the music, so you can get another feel for it, I think. So what's left now is to do some mixing to get this glued into the track correctly, and I have done some quick and dirty mixes, so we can take a listen to the last part here with the new recorded audio. But before you do that, I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the like button. For a small channel like this, it really helps if each and every one of you, you do that. And it also gives a sign that you like the videos I produce. Follow me on Spotify, blah blah blah, everywhere. You can download this track, it's called Little Birdies. You can download it on my website, it's BjoKib.com. You can use it for your own YouTube videos as background music. just read the license and everything is fine. Okay, so let's listen to the last part, and until next time, bye bye. Okay, I just want to let you know I had to record a new segment of this video because I changed the melody in the track. I didn't really like the original melody you heard before, and I did some changes to the melody after editing the video. So the melody sounds like this now, and let's give you a little preview of it. So the other melody, I think it was a little too much jumpy and all over the place. This flows a little better. So here's the new ending, and with that I say goodbye again.